Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a unique and tasty twist on your regular flatbread, Aloo Suji Paratha. Soft, flavorful and packed with goodness. Perfect for breakfast, lunch or snack time. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and 1 chopped green chili. Cook for 30 seconds. Sesame seeds add a nutty crunch and are also used in traditional winter sweets. Now pour in 1½ cup water, let it come to a boil. This recipe is kid friendly and perfect for lunchboxes too. Add half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano and half teaspoon salt. Add 1 grated potato and mix well. Make sure to grate the potato finely, it helps blend into the suji easily. Let it boil again. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves and 1 cup semolina or suji. Mix well and cook until the mixture separates from the pan. Aloo Suji Paratha is a fusion of classic Indian paratha and South Indian upma texture. Always cook the suji mix on low flame for a smooth and non-sticky dough. Let it cool completely. Take some dough from the mixture, roll it and cut in round shape. Let the dough cool completely before rolling, it prevents breakage. Suji is a good source of iron and protein, making it great for energy. Cumin and sesame seeds help in digestion and boost immunity. Potatoes add fiber and potassium, great for growing kids. Fry in medium heat. Keep the flame medium while frying to avoid burning the outer layer. Add some oil. This paratha is cooked with very little oil, making it light and wholesome. Fry both sides well until golden and slightly crispy. Your healthy and tasty Aloo Suji Paratha is ready. Serve hot with ketchup, chutney or curd. It's a complete meal on its own. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, share it with your friends and comment your favorite paratha version. Don't forget to subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more delicious homemade recipes.